Hi guys, or maybe this is the second time I say hi, or I just make this beginning of the video. I'm sort of done with this. I built the concrete woodwork framework. I can only dig 30 centimeters deeper. In total it has to be 40 centimeters deep. Like a couple of days before I put in the rebar, and that the concrete gets thrown in like as fast as possible after that, otherwise the sand collapses and that's really annoying. So for example, here I already tried that, and you can see it's falling a little bit already in. It's not a disaster, but those are the deepest planks I have, and the rest is only like 12 centimeters or like 5 inches, something like that. So yeah, but then I realized a small problem. The concrete truck actually has to come into the forest, and the forest looks like this. So concrete truck is like 4 meters high, so that's somewhere here. So I have to do some clearing. And my first plan was I just stand on the roof of the tractor, and then I cut off all the branches, I drive the tractor forward, stand on it. But maybe no, but I didn't try yet, but I feel like it's maybe too far away. We'll see. I'm gonna try at least. And this one has to go completely because it's ugly. So let's start here. So those are much smaller. I will do it by hand. And then I do the rest of the forest to the road. And that's why I don't like to stand there with a chainsaw on the ladder. Don't know if you saw. The ladder was moving because I'm on the forest ground. So time lapse for the rest, because you know, turbo mode, and how interesting is this if you do it 100 times, right? Blood, sweat, and no tears, but blood, sweat, and tears always makes a good story, right? It's supposed to be funny, so please laugh. Last one. So this will be the top of the foundation, and then I have to dig 40 centimeters that way, and 90 centimeters up will be the ground floor. So now I have to make all those aligned to that. So in this case I have to dig a bit. So in theory, if I put now a water level from this one to there, it should be horizontal. In theory. Oh, sorry. That's good enough. Like that's more precise than the timber I have, so should be fine. So now I have to do that everywhere. When I did one side, I used the water level to do that side, and then this side is also balanced. And that 1,000,000 times. That will be boring. So time lapse? I guess a time lapse, right? Beautiful. But you always have to keep telling yourself that you enjoy it. At the same time, just work slowly. And don't work when it's super hot. This is a nice day. It's quite dark. Pesky mosquitoes. Quite some mosquitoes. But yeah, it goes good. Goes good, and it's I think quite straight. And I have to correct GoPro lens, so I think it also is also straight for you. I forgot to say bye, so bye.